Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Well, first I would like to thank Gearbest because they provided me with this pair of TWS earbuds as a review unit. If you are really interested in purchasing these TWS earbuds, I will leave the link in the description below. Well, enough of that, let's proceed. I have not used this brand before. It's the Alfawise and the model number is V6. As we can see at the front of the package, we have the brand name. At the back of the package, we have the technical specification of the earbuds, like the driver unit, frequency, and so on. Then we have the features of the earbuds, which are printed on both sides of the package. Unboxing is pretty easy, one of the easiest out there. Inside the package, we get a user manual which is in English and Chinese. Just to get the basics, you can go through it. We get extra silicone ear tips. This time it's 3 pairs extra. 2 are black while the other 2 are white. A micro USB cable to charge the storage unit is also included, which I thought will be a Type-C, but it's not. Finally, we get the storage unit and the earbuds. The storage unit is actually smaller and thinner compared to the Huawei T85. Here is a side-by-side comparison. The design though is different. It has a bulge on the top part where you can see the earbuds. It's made from plastic and weighs around 45 grams and no magnetic mechanism to open or close the storage unit. There is no branding too. Well, the earbuds are really light and small. They are made from plastic except for the ear tips, which are rubber. Pairing is same with other brands. Once you remove them from the case, they enter pairing mode and they flash red and blue. They are equipped with voice assistant. Just to see how tiny the earbuds are, here is a side-by-side with the Huawei T85. How about the sound quality? The overall sound quality is awesome and pretty loud. They actually isolate well too. By the way, they are rated at 5 hours of continuous music listening. Anyway, sincerely speaking, if you want true wireless earbuds with awesome sound quality but cheaper, then get this. I will recommend them to anyone. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.